Welcome to Discomens class. Today we'll be going through some basic formulas in Excel and how to use them. So we'll be looking at the random, the count, the sum, average, maximum, and minimum. So we'll be using the random or the rand to generate our random numbers. So for this example or exercise, we are assuming we are 20 in a class and we want to generate 20 numbers, that is their age. So we go to our spreadsheet. So age. So for the random or how to generate the random numbers, tap on equal to, then tap on round between. Okay, so you specify the numbers, the range. So if you want it to be between 15 and 25 or 15 and 30. So this example, we want the age to be between 15 and 25. So 15 and 25. Okay. So here is the first generated number. So you want 20. You drag to 21. Okay, so we have 20 generated numbers. But here it keeps on changing. For example, when you tap maybe as and you press enter, the numbers will keep on changing. So we want to avoid that. So we copy the age and we paste it here. Okay, so now our numbers will not be changing. So here we can delete this one now. So I can cut this and put it here. Okay, so now we have our 20 random numbers. That is our age. So we are going to apply the first formula, that is a count. So we want to count. So let's say we have a bunch of numbers. We don't know the numbers or the number of the numbers. So we want to count it. So you tap on the equal to. So the formula is count. You open the bracket. You put it at the first number. You drag it to the last number and you close the bracket. You tap on enter, so it will count 20. So that is the first formula, count, to count the numbers. Okay, and the second formula is the sum. So we want to sum all the ages. So equal to, and also the formula is sum. So every formula you need to bring the equal to sign before you add the function. So the function is the count, sum, round between, average, maximum, minimum. We have a lot of functions. Okay, so the sum tool, you tap on the first number and you drag it to the last number you want to sum it up, and you close it and you tap on enter, so it has sum it. Okay, so our next formula is the average. So the average is the same as the mean. So tap on the equal sign, type average, you open it. So we use the same procedure. Select the first number, you drag it down, and now you close it. and tap. So it has calculated the average of the 20 numbers. Okay, so our next formula is the maximum. So the maximum, we want to know the highest number in the numbers. So we tap on equal to and sum. Max. And now the same formula applies. You drag it to the last, you close it. So saying 25 is the highest number. Now I want to know the smaller number, so that is a minimum. Also the function or the formula is min. You open it, you drag it, you close it, tap on enter. So the 15 is the smallest number among the numbers. Okay, so there's some basic formulas in Excel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.